Welcome back, guys. Today we are doing a spatchcock turkey. Let's go. I'm prepping my turkey brine for tomorrow, 24 hours in advance. We are doing 1 orange cut up, citrus flavor. I like citrus flavors for chicken, turkey. We're doing a whole onion, chopped onions going in there. And then we're also adding 1.5 cups of salt, 2 cups sugar. Stir it up. I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit 24 hours in the refrigerator, and tomorrow we'll clean it up, get it seasoned, and throw it on the pit. See you tomorrow. Turkey season's just around the bend, guys, and I figured this would be a great time to try out a couple of things. We're going to do a spatchcock turkey on the pellet grill. I'm gonna use 2 different rubs today, using the Texas Pecan, which I haven't used before. I'm gonna try it out. Looking forward to try this rub. Love pecan. And also, since it is a bird, we're going to use the chicken rub. Really enjoy this on chicken, so I'm going to use a combination of these two. The turkey has been in my brine overnight, 24 hours, and so we're going to go ahead and pull it out, get it pat down, and we'll get it prepped. Sucklebusters Texas Pecan, and also Sucklebusters Chicken Rub. There you have it, guys. Bird's looking good. Definitely some crispiness there. Turkey is done. Here it is. Whew. This thing is juicy. 10-pound bird that we cooked on the pellet grill just for over 3.5 hours. Temperature was set at around 225, 250. It ranged. We actually used a probe on these breasts here to determine the finish temp. I actually pulled these off. They were slightly over 165 at the breasts. The thighs were a little bit hotter. So it cooked pretty quick, considering it's a 10-pound bird. But look, there it is. Look at that bird. Whew, look, already, look. Don't even have to cut it. Thigh just coming off. So we got our leg and our thigh there as one piece. Ooh, hot. So it's looking good, definitely. The crust on this looks incredible. It's nice and crispy, just juicy. You can see just the juice pouring out the legs here. What we're going to do is quarter it up, get it ready as if we were going to serve it. So we have 2 thighs with the legs. Get my plate here. So there are my thighs. I'm going to plate them in my tray, and I'm going to go ahead and take the the wings off. There it is. Got a big juicy turkey wing. Get that plated in there. Find this other side. Woo! Look at that. Look at that. Looking good. Sample. Yeah. And last, we have the breast. There's tons of flavor in here. We use the Sucklebusters Chicken Rub and also the Texas Pecan. First time I ever used the Texas Pecan, definitely enjoy that pecan. And can never go wrong with Sucklebusters Chicken Rub. And cut into this breast here. Yes, look at that. Awesome crust. Juicy white meat. It's still steaming. Yeah. Just bite right through it. I feel like this is a pretty straightforward way to do a turkey. It's different than the standard bacon in the oven for Thanksgiving with the holidays coming up. If you've never tried a smoked turkey, I would definitely try it out this year. This is a great taste, different flavor than your traditional Thanksgiving lunch or dinner, whatever y'all may do as a tradition. This was brined overnight, so definitely helps it maintain all that juice, but as you can see, just that meat just falls off there, just cutting it nice good slices. I definitely encourage you to try this out. I've done smoked turkeys whole also on my Weber, and I really like that. I believe with the rub that I chose for this one, I got a better bark. Didn't burn, didn't get too dark. Sometimes when you cook a turkey on the pit too long, or you expose it to too much heat and you don't wrap it up, after a while it gets kind of toasty, looks almost black. And so this is a way, I really think, a good way to maintain that color and for that presentation. If we brought one of these to your table for Thanksgiving, I think it'd blow some people away and they'd be impressed. And if, like I said, if you've never had smoked turkey, definitely ups your table game. There it is, guys. We got smoked turkey. Don't have a lot of sides for this cook, but that's okay. Can never go wrong with just good old-fashioned turkey. Smoked turkey. Subscribe, hit the bell if you haven't already. Leave me a comment. Today's cook was a recommendation by some subscribers who wanted to see a turkey before the holidays, and here you are, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you. BBQANYTIME. See you next time.